Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong money and career finances reading for January 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And also, please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. So, let us see, Pisces. What's up with your money, career, finances for January 2024? Venus, it's about love. Alam niyo, Venus, this is also associated with money, no? So, iba sa inyo, pwedeng ang career or business ninyo related sa health and beauty, wellness, no? Ganyan. Luxury, pleasure, and also receiving. Yung iba, meron kayong marireceive na gift. Money gift from your loved ones. You also have the first house, which is about yourself. I think ngayon dinidevelop mo yung sarili mo na mas maging attractive in a way na mas magiging makakapag-attract ka ng abundance opportunities. Oo, lalo na kung masaasikasuhin mo yung sarili mo kasi totoo naman na if you are confident enough, no, to go out of your way and makisalamuha sa ibang tao, you will definitely be noticed. Makikilala ka, makikita ka ng marami kang ma-attract na opportunities. And yung connections na yun na makukuha mo as you network, tutulong yan sa'yo na mas mapabuti yung situation mo. Kasi you'll never know kung sino makikilala mo kapag ikaw ay nagpapalawak ng network na pwedeng makakilala ka ng mentor na tutulong sa'yo sa business mo, sa career mo, magre-refer sa'yo ng clients or ng trabaho, diba? Speaking of trabaho, you have the 6th house. So, which is about your work and also your well-being, your health. So, ngayon, talagang nagpo-focus ka sa iyong sarili sa health and wellness. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay mag-gym or you will go back to becoming more healthier and fit, ganyan. Kasi, diba, kapag tayo ay malakas, malusog, masigla, tayo ay productive. Marami tayong pwedeng magawa. And yung iba sa inyo, you are organizing things, no? Yung schedule mo, para lahat magampanan mo. Oo. Nagiging mas responsible ka na sa pag-handle ng iyong mga responsibilities, mga obligation. Speaking of obligation and responsibilities, may kontrata. Yung iba sa inyo papasok sa isang business contract, trabaho, may i-offer sa iyong work. Pwede tong sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa. Or itong opportunity na darating sa'yo is kailangan mong mag-relocate. Lumipat ng bahay, lumipat ng trabaho. Oo. Meron kang bagong direction sa career, sa business. O, diba? Maraming mapa. Ang dami mong pupuntahan for your career, for your business. Pwedeng meron kang i-research, mga pag-aaralan, mga suppliers, or pag-check ng mga raw materials. But there's definitely prosperity and good fortune. Makaka-jackpot ka rito kung talagang aayusin mo. You also have eyeglasses. You are assessing your situation. Marami ka talagang pinag-aaralan ngayon. Yung tipong kino-compare mo yung sarili mo from last year, kung ano yung mga na-achieve mo, ano yung mga na-miss out mo, ano pa yung kailangan mo sanang mas in-improve pa. So, ngayong January, you are finally taking action, working things out, sarili mo yung inaasikaso mo ngayon, ini-improve mo para ready ka sa mga bagong opportunity. So, this is your overall energy with the King of Cups. You're becoming more creative and focus on what you really want. You have the 6 of Cups as well. So, I think there are some people na very supportive of you sa mga gusto mong gawin, mga mahal mo sa buhay. If you have kids, pwedeng anak mo to. na tutulong sa'yo, no, na maipurso mo yung mga goals mo sa yung business, sa yung career, or even your romantic partner. So, importante naman kasi sa mga ginagawa natin is yung support system natin eh. Oo, malaking bagay yon. Although, we can do things independently na kaya natin on our own, iba pa rin yung merong support na nakukuha ka sa iba. Okay? So, your challenge is the King of Pentacles. Ito yung mga balak mo. Ito yung mga plano mo sa career mo, sa business mo. This is going to be challenging for you, but I think this is something na kaya mong i-handle kung talagang sigurado ka sa gusto mo. Yeah, with the Moon card here as your challenge, minsan kasi mabilis kang maapektuhan emotionally, no? Yung tipong kapag nagiging sensitive ka, no? Halimbawa sa trabaho, pag ikaw ay napagalitan ng boss mo, nagiging sensitive ka kaagad. You take it personally. Tapos ang gagawin mo, hindi ka na masyadong magpa-perform sa trabaho. So paano ka mas mapapansin sa trabaho kung hindi ka na masyadong magpa-perform, no? Or yun nga, nagiging sensitive sa mga puna ng iba. So syempre, of course, tao lang tayo, may emosyon tayo, pero wag nating hayaan ito na maka-apekto sa productivity natin. And para masira yung goals natin, 'di ba? So this is your opportunity. You have the Three of Swords. As an opportunity, yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng disappointment sa isang sitwasyon ninyo sa career, sa business. Pero ano ba yung mangyayari dyan after? It's a time to bounce back. Parang yung pain na experience mo, gagamitin mo yan para as an inspiration to be better. Yan, with the Two of Swords. I think it's a matter of deciding kung hahayaan mo yung sarili mo na magstay sa ganyang sitwasyon na, namong problema, iniisip mo na ikaw yung inagrabyado, mas maganda na maging sigurado ka sa gusto mo. Yung meron ka ulit na target, okay? So, you have the opportunity to bounce back from a disappointment sa business, trabaho, career. So, your blessing, wow, the Magician and the Five of Pentacles. So, as a blessing, meron kang sapat na resources. May sapat ka na kaalaman na malagpasan yung mga challenges mo financially. So, don't you worry. As long as gagamitin mo yung mga abilidad mo. Okay? Yung talents and skills mo. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Yes. Importante rin yung decision making mo rito. And then the time is right to release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. Yes. Yung mga old patterns, yung mga pain, yung mga disappointments, you're going to release that kasi it's part of your past and you are embracing your future. The magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. Yes, I think you are discovering more about your skills, your abilities ngayong January. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.